Okay, wig is not laid. Clearly you can see the lace. But I got a request to do some bangs. So we're going to try this out. So they're already pretty long. And the request was to do Chinese bangs. So what I like to do is kind of brush the hairs down. Brush them down and kind of have them here. Just so I can kind of see like what we working with, you know? Because you basically have to get rid of your part that's already there. So I kind of like to just make sure that the vibes are right. You want to just section off the bangs and how you would like them, because you kind of want them to like be framed to your face. And just gonna kind of take some hair scissors and just angle downwards to get like a layering framing effect. So it's shorter here now, which will kind of match with the bangs. This step is honestly, it's just optional. You don't got a face frame. And you can pull out as much as you want. Like if you have more hair, you're gonna have a thicker bang. I'm gonna take a little bit out using my rat tail. And that looks good. But you want to make sure that you don't cut too high and then you got short bangs. So you rather would start a little lower and then work your way up, okay? And if you need a guide, you can always use a ponytail holder. That way you can kind of using a ponytail as a guide will kind of help you kind of see where your bang will be. So just imagine this is where they're going to be, kind of here. I like mine a little lower. If you're practicing for the first time, definitely cut a little lower, not where I had it before, like here. Kind of cut slightly lower. So this looks pretty good. Like, I don't mind this. Yeah, because somebody wanted a Chinese bang, so we gonna do it for them, okay? So you want to just kind of cut right below the rubber band or your ponytail. So you see, like any little movement can like ruin your wig, but it's cute so far. And I'm just gonna cut off like that little, actually, it don't even matter. It's kind of cute actually. So it cut at the perfect length. Oh my gosh, and I actually cut the latisha wig before I even made this video. Like I cut it a couple weeks ago. But wow, the bangs look great. I don't even got to do nothing for real. And if this was a different wig and not like a curlier option, I definitely would have like fringed them a little bit, like with the scissors like this, to kind of make it look a little more natural, not like a straight across bang. But these are like perfect. Like I'm not even mad at these. Like this side is a little bit longer, but it's cool. But this is how it came out. And I do like the fact that you can kind of like see my forehead a little bit more. Like it looks natural. Oh, baby. Baby. This is the vibes. All I need is a cute lash and I'm set. This is the perfect wig for fall, let me tell you.